Once setup remote is displayed, you can start configuring your remote. Simply select the option menu by pressing the function button, and the first option is Keypad Lock. To change or program this feature, press the function button and then use the remote start or the auxiliary button to scroll through the different features. Once you've selected the feature, press Lock to save the feature, and use the scroll button to go to your next menu option, or you can hit lock or unlock to exit the menu completely.